Guni-gunita man natin ang undas o yung araw ng mga patay pero buhay na buhay pa rin ang ating mga tangible culture heritage sa bansa dahil sa may angat ang makabagong konserbasyong isinagawa ng Culture Philippines. Para sa iba pang detalye, panoorin po natin ito.
Mahalaga ang cultural preservation sa isang bansa. Ito man ay intangible or tangible cultural heritage. At ang pagpreserba ng mga tangible culture ay isang mabusising proseso na nangangailangan ng pag-iingat at isinangarya ng advanced German technology na Karcher na naging katuwang ng National Museum at ng ilang makasaysayang lugar at landmarks sa bansa.
Preservation of our natural treasures is deeply ingrained in the DNA of cultural organizations and agencies such as the National Museum of the Philippines and the Intramuros Administration. But we cannot do it alone, and we need the support of the community. So we need the support of our advocates in promoting the significance of the Gomburza Monument, and we also need the support of our educators for teaching our learners and our future generations.
Naging advokasya ng grupo ang Tangible Cultural Preservation, kung saan tinatayang 200 landmarks at monuments ang kanilang nalinisan sa buong mundo. At dito sa Pilipinas naman ay 10. Yan ay ang Fort Santiago, St. Andrew Cathedral, Silang Church, San Sebastian Basilica, Plaza Miranda, Bonifacio Shrine, San Agustin Church, People Power Monument, at Rizal Monument. Kabilang na rin ang Gomburza Monument.
Cleaning helps to preserve things, and that's where we, being a cleaning company, we can make a difference. We have unique expertise to preserve the monument. That is why every time before of a project we have to do tests. We test and we define the perfect cleaning solution to clean, but at the same time to preserve. So there is no, I would say, easy project. We are very careful. Months before the cleaning, we do the testing.
We appreciate very much their contribution, generous contribution, and their deep commitment in preserving our historical treasures.
Mahalaga ang maingat na pagpasa ng mga tangible cultural heritage sa bagong henerasyon at sa pamamagitan ng pagtutulungan ng komunidad at ng mga private sectors ay patuloy na magiging buhay sa puso at diwa ang kultura ng bansa.